When you paste data into your workbook from an external source, it can often be in a format that's not easy to work with.
If I was to bring in text from another document by pasting it in, I can click this option and use the text import wizard. Let's say I want to have these in different cells rather than the class and the letter and number in the same cell. So there's a few ways to do this. One would be to use the delimited option, which will look for a space in this. You could select any of these, but I know that wherever there's a space, we should separate it. And that will do that for me. So now we've got the first part and then the second part here. And if we were just interested in these, that could be quite useful. Another option is to use the fixed width option, which if you don't have a similar character, which was the space, if you don't have that similar character in all of your data, you can just use a fixed width, which allows you to say, split it about here. And you can just click it on again to remove it, or double click on it. So if I just wanted to keep 1s, in theory, just for this example, great, that'll do that for you. Now, you don't always have to be pasting something in. Let's say our data already existed. Then you can just go to Data, Text to Columns, and you'll get the same option.